Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make a table of contents in Microsoft Word 2026. So this will help you organize the long documents like reports, school projects and books automatically. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Microsoft Word application. Then you need to simply open a new document. Now over here by default, you will be on the Home tab. In the Home tab, simply go to the Styles section. Over here by default, the normal style will be selected, but you just have to first of all click on the option of heading. Then you just have to simply provide the main title of this particular document. So here I can type anything, let's say kite over here. Then you just have to hit enter, then select the heading 2, and here you just have to keep on providing the subsections for this particular document. So here if I type this one, then if I select heading 2 and if I type this particular keyword or paragraph or anything over here, so Word basically uses these headings to build the table of contents automatically. So you can do this for every major section in your document. Now once this is done, you just have to place your cursor where you want to add the table of contents. This usually at the top of the document or after the title page. Now after selecting the section, simply go to the references tab here on the top. The first option would be of table of content. So when you click on it, it is going to ask you to pick a style for the table of content. So here we have automatic table 1, then we have automatic table 2 and so on. So let's say I'm interested in automatic table 2. So as you can see, it has automatically taken all of the headings and the subheadings that I have added here on the top. So this is how you can generate your table of content instantly with the help of your headings and subheadings. Now if you want to add more pages or make changes into the heading, you just have to simply select your table. After that, you just have to go to the update table option here on the top. Now you can select the option of update page number only, or if you want to update the entire table, simply select any of these options and hit OK. So this way basically you will be able to create a perfect table of content in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.